Assalamu alaikum student. Today's our topic is about human excretory system. Now the excretory system. The human excretory system work to excrete waste products from our body. Now with excretory system we get rid of nitrogenous waste products including ammonia, urea and uric acid. Kidney filters about 1700 liters of blood daily in average adult. Excretory system organs included kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra. These are the organs which are involved in the excretory system, and these are the organs of excretory system. Now the kidneys. Kidneys are the human being has two kidneys which are located in the abdomen in the inner side of the spine. Each kidney is a bean shaped and an adult kidney is about 11.5 centimeter long, 6 centimeter wide and 3.5 centimeter thick. Its weight is about 140 gram. The ducts, namely an artery, a vein and ureter, open into the cavity called bladder. Now this bladder contains many small tubes called nephrons which collect urea from blood in the form of urine. Now the ureters carry urine from kidney to urinary bladder and it passed through urethra. Now student, this is all about the human excretory system.